In this video, I'm going to give a brief tutorial on how to download TaxTron T1 Netfile for a Windows machine. First, you're going to head to our website taxtron.ca and navigate to the download section. You're then going to scroll down and click on Download TaxTron for Windows. Keep in mind our software is supported by Windows 10 and 11, so make sure your system is running that operating system. Once the .exe file is done downloading, you can open it. Click on Yes and then follow the instructions on the screen. Select your language, accept the terms of service, select the install path, and install. Your TaxTron T1 Netfile software has now been successfully downloaded. For more information, you can check out our website or take a look at some of our other videos. Thanks for watching.